Today I am going to tell you about Aravind Adiga's novel White Tiger. This is a beautiful novel, and this novel is prescribed to PG students of many universities. And some of my students recommended me to do a video which gives them an analysis about White Tiger, and they want its theme, different questions which can be asked from this particular novel, etc. So I am doing this video in order to help all the students who want to know about Aravind Adiga's White Tiger. White Tiger is a novel written by Aravind Adiga. He is an Indian author. This novel was first published in 2008 and won 40th Man Booker Prize in the same year, that is 2008. This novel is about darker side of India, that is lower class people of India are nowadays facing a lot of problem, and upper class people or other people of India are not knowing about this. The novel provides a darkly humorous perspective of India's class struggle in this globalized world, and this class struggle is narrated through a first person narrative, and this narrator is none other than the central character of this particular novel, Balram Halwai. This Balram Halwai, he is a village boy from a village, a dark, a remote village called Lakshmangarh. That village is in Gaya district. As you all know, Gaya is a place where Lord Buddha attained enlightenment when he sat under a Bodhi tree, and that place is so much significant in religious terms and also in all terms. That particular place is very much significant. This novel is a journey of central character or the protagonist Balram Halwai from his village Lakshmangarh to a tea shop at Dhanbad. There he worked as a tea shop worker. From there he go to Delhi as a chauffeur to his landlord's son Ashok, and from there he murdered Ashok and became an entrepreneur in Bangalore. This is the storyline of this novel, The White Tiger. And let me tell you the summary of this particular novel. So, this novel is in the form of epistolary novel, because in this novel the central character Balram Halwai narrates his life through letters which was written in 7 consecutive nights, and that letter is addressed to a Chinese premier named Wen Jiabo. This Chinese premier Wen Jiabo want to know about the entrepreneurship in India, and through his letters Balram explains how he became an entrepreneur and how he escaped from a life of servitude, and from there how he became a successful businessman. Balram describes about his village life, that he was born in a rural village in Gaya district where he lived with his grandmother, parents, then his brother and other family members. Actually, it is a joint family, and his grandmother Kusum is the elder member of that family, and also she is the authoritative power of that particular family. Balram was from a family of lower caste. His family is actually belongs to the sweet maker caste, and his mother, he died when Balram was young. He describes about the funeral function of his mother in a very touching manner, and it's in the opening session of that novel. Balram belongs to a lower caste, that is a sweet maker caste, and his mother, who died in his early age. He describes about his mother's funeral in a very touching manner. Then his father is a rickshaw puller. Then his father is a good fellow and he wants to uh, bring his son's life into a better condition. So he sent his son to the school. Balram's father, in his early age itself, that is, in Balram's early age itself, his father Vijay, he planted him an idea of breaking from darkness and of becoming a man. He tells that my whole life I have been treated like a donkey. All I want is that one son of mine, at least one, should live like a man. These lines shows their life conditions, how they lived in that particular society, how they lived in such a lower caste. All these things are reflecting through these lines that I have been treated like a donkey. Balram was an intelligent student, and one of the inspector who visited his school named him White Tiger because of his rarity and his intelligence. He was an exceptional student compared to all others coming from poor background. So so that school inspector called him White Tiger. He also offered a scholarship for Balram, but unfortunately, upper class people or politicians or teachers of that school, they didn't give Balram that scholarship. At the same time, Balram left the school. Why? Because his family was in debt. Because of his cousin's marriage related problems, his family was in debt, and Balram left the school and he became a worker at a tea shop. From the customers of the tea shop, he learned about the political and social conditions of India. From there, he learned how to drive and he finds a job in one of his landlord's house and he became a chauffeur or a driver to his landlord's son Ashok. From there, he moved to Delhi with Ashok and his wife Pinky Madam. Mukesh, Ashok's brother, is also with them. In Delhi, he learned about the contrast between poor and wealthy. One night, Ashok's wife, Pinky Madam, she was drunk and hit a boy in the road, and that boy was killed. And Ashok bribed the police um, and he solved that case. From this, Balram understand that money is an essential thing in life, and if one have enough money in his pocket, he can control everything in this society. And Balram then decides that he wants to escape from this rooster coop. Rooster coop metaphor is an important metaphor in this particular novel, which means poor people are like roosters in a coop at the market. They watch themselves get slaughtered one by one, but they are not willing to break out the cage. And Balram decides to get out of this rooster coop and he, with a bottle, killed Ashok and moved with a large sum of bribe to Bangalore. There he started his own business and he became a famous entrepreneur. This is the short summary of Aravind Adiga's White Tiger. Please read the text, and it is a beautiful and simple novel. Everyone can understand, and try to read this. Important themes in this novel. Globalization is an important theme in this novel because globalization changed world structure and also the culture. Social evils like poverty, manipulation, corruption are all a result of globalization. Class structure is also an impact of globalization, and lower class suffered a lot, and upper class people, they enjoy life and they began to exploit lower class people. So globalization is an important theme. Next theme is individualism, then class conflicts or social class or caste, then freedom, marriage, family system. All these things are important themes in this novel. This novel can also be considered as postmodern novel, picaresque novel, then epistolary novel, etc. Now let's brush up your memory using objective type questions. So let's start. What is the name of the protagonist in this novel? Balram Halwai. Balram Halwai belonged to which caste? Balram Halwai belongs to sweet maker caste. Which is the name of the village of Balram Halwai? Lakshman Ghar. Who is Kusum? Kusum is Balram's grandmother. Who are the landlords mentioned in this novel? The buffalo, wild boar, raven, stork. The novel was published in which year? 2008. Pinky Madam wants to go to which country? It is America. She came from America, so she wants to go back to America. Ashok compares which state to America? It is Delhi. What is the name of the driver which Balram blackmailed to get a promotion and drives Ashok's car? It is Ram Prasad. Who says, I am always a man who sees tomorrow when others see today? It is a famous dialogue said by Balram. Who offered Balram a scholarship and called him White Tiger? It is his school inspector. What is the name of Ashok's new business at Bangalore? The name of his new business is White Tiger Drivers. Friends, that's all about Aravind Adiga's White Tiger. Thank you for watching. Please share, like and subscribe.